Hello dear students. In the previous class we learned to construct quadrilateral when two diagonals and three sides were given. Today we are going to learn a new construction, that is construction of a quadrilateral when two edges and sides and three angles are given. So let us see one example first, that is construction of a quadrilateral mist with MI 3.5 centimeter, IS 6.5 centimeter, angle M 75 degree, angle I 105 degree and angle S 120 degree. So as usual, the first step is construction of or drawing of rough figure. We have drawn with all the details given in the question. Now in this the angles are there and all the angles we need to make or construct using pair of compass if possible, and the angles which are not possible with compass you can prepare or you can draw with the help of protractor. So now here the first step should be always the base. So here 3.5 centimeter is the base. So let us draw 3.5 centimeter first, which is MI is 3.5 centimeter. Okay. So mark it MI 3.5 centimeter. Now you need to make an angle of 75 degree at M and 105 degree at T. So you know how to make 75. 75 is equal to 60 plus 15. So first we will make a 60 degree angle, then a 120 degree angle, then a 90 degree and then we will make 75 from that. So let us see that first. See here, I am making an angle of 60 and 120 first. Here the protractor should be holded, compass should be holded properly, otherwise it won't. So first make 3.5, then once you make 60, again if you repeat the same distance you will get 120. If you make that 120 little bigger, I mean that arc little bigger and bisect it again, you will get 90 degree. We are not going to draw 90 degree, but we will show it using dotted line so that we will be able to get the point for bisecting again. So this is the point. So this angle is 90 degree. Now see here children, this angle is 60, this point shows 60 and this shows 90. So 60 to 90 it is 30 degree. So if you bisect 30 degree you will get 15 degree. So 60 plus 15 will be, this is already there, so no need to draw. Okay. So we got, which angle we got? 75 degree. Make it longer. Okay. On that side we do not have length, so keep it as it is. Now on this point, that is on I, we need to make 105. How will you make 105? 105 is 90 plus 15. So we will take from the other side to bisect. Okay. So here first we will make 60 degree, then we will make 120 degree, make it 90 degree. 90 degree if you make little bigger and then bisect that point, what will you get? You will get 105 degree. You see this is 90 degree. 90 plus 15. is 105. Now after getting 105, see, so this angle is 75 degree and this angle is 105 degree. Now on that arm you need to take 6.5 centimeter. So take 6.5 centimeter. See from here 6.5. So this point is S. Now on S the angle is 120 degree. So make an angle of 120 degree there. So first to draw one arc with same distance, draw one arc 60, second arc 120. Now join that point. So when you join, it will go little up. Okay, join it. Now if this line is not meeting, you need to extend it. So if you extend it, again today also I could have drawn little down. See, it is going like this, so you can extend and make it meet. Okay, so here is the point T. So while drawing, you take care, you have to draw little down. So this angle is 120 degree. Now let us write the points or point of construction. I mean the steps of construction. What is the first step? What did we do? Draw MI. How many degree, how many centimeters? 3.5 centimeters. So our first step was draw MI, and then using pair of compass, construct an angle of how many degrees? 75 degree at M, and then 105 degree at I. If you want, you can write it as separate step, construct 105 degree at I. And then what did we do? This point we took, that is 6.5 centimeter we took, right? The third point or the fourth point was mark a point S 6.5 centimeter away from I on the arm. Okay. And then what did we do? Construct angle S 120 degree. And then what did we do? Find the point of intersection of angle M and angle S and mark it as, what is the name? T. Then join T to M and T to S. It is already joined, but just mark it. So these are the complete steps. Okay. Now let us go to the textual exercise. Now let us see exercise 4.3, question number 1. Construct quadrilateral MORE MORE with MO 6 centimeter, OR 4.5 centimeter, angle M 60 degree, angle O 105 degree and angle R 105 degree. So one thing is easy for us. Once if you make 105, you can make equal angle at the other point. So, that is easy for you. Now, the first thing, draw the rough diagram. Here is the rough diagram MORE with all the given measures. Now, what are we going to do? First, we will draw MO 6 centimeter. So, the first thing that we have to do is MO 6 centimeter. So, here is MO 6 centimeter. After drawing, mark it MO 6 centimeter. Now, we have to draw an angle of 60 degree at M. So, take any measure on the compass, draw one arc to meet the arm, take the same distance and cut the arc from wherever the arc met the line. So, you get angle of 60 degree and then join that point, make it little longer. Okay. Now, at O you need to make an angle of 105. So, first we will make 60 and 120. Okay. So, first to make 60 once, then to make 120, little longer if you make, it will be easy for you to make 90. So, this point will be, see if you draw this, this will be, we are not going to draw, but we will make dotted line to get the point. Okay, so this angle is 90. So, 90 and this point is for 120. So, 90 to 120 it is 30 degree. So, that 30 degree when you bisect, what will you get? You will get 15 degree. So, total it will be 90 plus 15, 105. Now, the side is given from here O to R, it is given 4.5. So, take 4.5 in the compass and draw one arc. So, this point is your R. Now, at R also you need to make an equal angle. So, you see, you know how to make equal angle. Take any distance, draw an arc, okay. Take the same distance from here and draw another arc, and then you take this distance, equal distance of the, and then you take it from here and cut. So, if you join R and this point and draw one arc, draw one line segment, it will meet at E. So, if you do not remember equal angle construction, again here you can make 105 the way you made here. So, this is 4.5 centimeter. This angle is 105 degree, this angle is also 105 degree. Okay, so, your quadrilateral is ready. So, now you should write the steps yourself. Now, let us see question number 2. It is a quadrilateral plan, PLAN plan, where PL is 4 centimeter, LA is 6.5, angle A 110, angle P 90 degree and angle N 95 degree. Now, our problem is, see, if you draw this line first, PL, make an angle of 90 here, then where to make 95 we do not know. So, these two angles are given, but this side is not given. Here side is given, this angle is not given. So, if you have to construct, either you should know this angle or you should know this side. Now, do we have any method to find the side? It is only given quadrilateral. If it is given parallelogram or rectangle or any such information, then we will come to know the side. But how will you come to know the angle L? Is there any method to find the angle L? Yes, using angle sum property we can find out. So, first of all, angle L is equal to, how will you find out? The total measure of all the 4 angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So, 360 minus, in the bracket, 90 plus 95 plus 110. Okay. So, 110 plus 90, 200. 200 plus 95, 295. So, it is equal to 360 minus 295. See, 295 plus 5 is 300. 300 plus 60, 65. So, total 65 degree. So, this angle is 65 degree. Now, we can make it easily, and one more speciality is that here almost all the angles you need to prepare with the help of protractor, not by construction, because 65 degree, 110 degree we have to prepare, we have to construct. So, you can't use compass for that. So, the first thing is construct an angle of, construct a line segment of 4 centimeter. So, this angle construction is easy, this quadrilateral construction is easy for you. So, mark it as PL. So, here it is P and this point is L and length is 4 centimeter. Now, angle 90 you should use compass. So, how will you make angle 90? You know. First, keep the compass here and then make an angle of 60 first, then make an angle of 90, 120 first, and from where it met for 120, from there if you draw an arc, you will get 90 degree. So, first of all draw this angle you got 90. Now, what will you do? Here at the point L the angle is 65. So, what will you do? Keep the protractor at L and you see the line is toward this side. So, from here to count, see 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 65, and then using the scale join it. So, here somewhere A is there, but the distance from L to A is given. What is the line given? It is 6.5. So, take 6.5 and mark here, and from 6.5 that point is A, okay, and from A you have to make an angle of 120 degree. So, how to make 110 degree, sorry. So, keep it here. How to make 110 degree? Count from here, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 100, 110 comes here. So, join that point, this is the point 110. So, join this point to A. So, wherever that line met here in this arm, that point will be N. If you want to check this angle, it will be 95 degree. Okay. So, your answer is correct. So, here it is 90 degree, this one is 65 degree, and this angle is 110 degree. This line is 6.5 centimeter. So, your quadrilateral plan is ready. And now what do we have to do? Write the steps yourself. Now, question number 3 is a parallelogram. A parallelogram here HEAR with HE 5 centimeter and EA 6 centimeter, only one angle is given 85 degree. Now, if you want to draw this parallelogram, we need more information, because we can draw only this part 6 centimeter, this we may not be, HV may not be able to find with this information. So, what do? We use the properties of parallelogram to find out the remaining measures. Now, how will you find the remaining measures? What are the properties of a parallelogram? Just think. We know about the sides are equal. So, if this side is 6 centimeter, opposite sides are equal and parallel. So, one information we got, this two sides, this also will be equal to 5 centimeter. Now, another information that we have is the opposite angles will be equal. So, if this is 85, this will be 85. Now, one more information we have, that is adjacent angles will be supplementary, that is this angle will be 180 minus 85, which is equal to 95 degree. So, now our work is very easy. How will you draw? First, make a line segment of 6 centimeter. Draw a line segment of 6 centimeter. Okay. So, this is EA 6 centimeter. Now, these two angles 85 degree and 95 degree, we cannot make it using compass. So, we are going to use the protractor. So, when you make the angle here on E, we will count from A, we need 85. So, here it is 80 and here it is 85. You see here, this is from here to count, this is 80 and this is 90. So, here it is 85. So, join it to E. Now, this angle A is 95. So, keep it there. You need to keep the line, base line on this, and from here to count 95. So, this is 90 and this is 95. Keep the pencil pointer there and join it. So, we know that on this two lines we will get the points H and R. Now, what is the length of AR? It is 5 centimeter. So, take 5 centimeter in the compass. Since both the sides are equal, we can mark from A and from E both and then join them. So, this construction was very easy, right? E, A and this is H and this is R. Now, what all informations we know? Let us write. This is 5 centimeter, this angle is 85 degree. So, we can also write our measurements whatever we know, 95 degree, this is also 85 degree, this is 5 centimeter and this will be 6 centimeter. It is not compulsory to write whatever we know, but if you write it looks nice. Okay. Now, write the steps yourselves. Now, let us see question number 4. It is a rectangle OKAY, OK, with OK 7 centimeter and KA 5 centimeter. So, the rough diagram is already here. Again here only two informations we have, remaining all information you need to get. So, how will you get it? You see here, if it, what are the properties of rectangle? Rectangle got all the angles 90 degree. So, first we can mark 90 degree here. Opposite sides are equal. So, just like what we did just now, in the same way we can construct here only with the difference of angle. So, what is the first step? Draw a 7 centimeter line segment, a line segment of 7 centimeter. How many centimeter? 7 centimeter. Now, it is 90 degree angle. So, we need the protractor. So, first we can mark on both sides OK. So, see, it is same angle, either you can draw one angle and then create equal angle, or simultaneously you can draw both sides, or one by one also you can draw. Okay. So, first this is 60 degree, then 120 degree, 90 degree. So, this is 90 degree. Same thing you can do, or else directly if you want you can take this and draw. Okay. I am going to do that. You can construct yourself if you do not know equal angle. Take, what will you do first? First take this distance, okay, and then keep it on K and draw one arc, and then take the length of the arc which made 90 degree, and then from here take the same distance. So, my 90 degree, more than 90 degree, what I did? I constructed an equal angle of O here, because O is 90 degree, K also will be 90 degree. Now, KA is 5 centimeter. So, take 5 centimeter in the compass. And mark on, it is X, okay. Join them. Okay, AY, okay, is ready. Okay. Now, write the steps your own. Okay. So, with this question, this exercise is over. In the next class, we will learn some other way of construction of quadrilateral. That is all for today. Thank you.